Hi, I'm Kev Lavery, and today I'll be taking you through how to add to a discussion in Connect. The Discussions tool is an area for you to share your thoughts, ask questions, or share files with your teachers or fellow students. You can access discussions in Connect in two ways. Discussions can be sequenced into your unit so that you encounter them as a natural part of your unit progression, like a discussion related to some information that you've just covered, but they can also be accessed through the Discussions tool. A good example of this would be the student discussion area. You can find discussions in the navbar, or navigate there through any links to new posts that you see in the Updates widget. Let's go to the discussions area now. Here you'll see any discussion topics set up by your teacher. And within those, you'll see any posts by your teacher or posts by other students enrolled in your unit. To view the post in a discussion topic, just click on the title of the topic. Here you'll see any instructions by your teacher at the top of the page and all the threads created so far underneath. From here, you can choose to create a new thread or to reply to someone else's. First, let's look at creating a new post by clicking on Start a New Thread. You'll need to enter a subject and then the contents of your post. You'll notice that there's also options to insert links and images as well as change the formatting. It's a good idea to do a spell check, and if you've posted a large thread, you can resize the posting window, preview it, or even edit in full screen. You may wish to subscribe to the thread that you're creating. This means that anytime someone replies to your message, you'll receive a notification. When creating your message, you can also add an attachment, create an audio file, or add a file that you've previously uploaded to your locker. Once you're done, select Post. If you need to delete your thread, you can click on your Threads menu and then select Delete Thread. If your teacher or another student has posted a message that you would like to respond to, simply select the title of the thread and then select Reply to Thread. The subject will already appear, so now you just need to add your message. As with posting a new thread, you have all the options for adding links and images, formatting your message, spell checking, and previewing. Again, you can add attachments, and you can also choose whether or not to subscribe to a thread. When you're ready, select Post. You can now see your reply appearing under the original thread. So what if you see a message that you come across that you think your teacher needs to review? If you ever come across a post like this, you can alert your teacher to your concerns. In the option next to the title, you'll find the option to flag a thread. Earlier, we mentioned subscribing to a post that you created. However, you may also like to subscribe to an overall forum or topic, or a thread created by another user. To subscribe to a topic, go into the topic and then select Subscribe at the top of the page. A dialog box will appear giving you options for managing your notifications. Choose the option you prefer and then subscribe. It's worth noting that Connect's responsive design means that you can access your units and their content on a smartphone or tablet and still get the full experience, so you don't have to wait until you're sitting in front of a computer to get involved in a discussion. Discussions are a really beneficial part of the learning process. They can help you share ideas, pose questions, reflect on experiences, challenge concepts, consolidate information, and connect with other learners.